guys, this is Jess and this is Dexter and welcome to Jess's Toy Cupboard. Today we are going to be making the Crayola Maker Marker. Okay, so cool. So we've already started. So in this box with the kit you get
some ink.
What colour?
Yellow.
And you
Red.
get
Blue.
And right, okay, also you get these little things.
Yeah.
These are
The cases for the markers.
yes. And you get some of these.
Yeah, you have to put it in when you've done.
Right, yes, and get some of these.
Can't get that out now.
I don't know about it, it'll come out.
It's
Oosh!
round.
No. Alright, we'll get them all. And you get some labels to write the colour that you've made.
Yep, and you have to do it in teensy windy at the top, and then you have to make a name at the bottom.
Excellent. You also get some of the boxes that you can colour in once you've made the markers. And you get this machine here. So this is the maker.
Give me that bit.
Right, okay, and you also get one of these. So this, let me show you just quick. This little thing here
You have to pour the ink into here.
it's got the numbers on it, okay?
Yeah,
It goes all the way up to 15, okay?
Yep, and you have to pour the ink in it when you've on here,
Put that on there.
and you have to pour the ink in it.
Yep.
When it's on the number you do, you have to stop, and then you have to put one of them white or one of these
Okay.
in there.
Yes, right, so we'll show. So, this little chart here has got all of the colours that you can make. So, it tells you what colours
Or
you
you could
make
just
by
pick a
mixing
colour.
blue and yellow,
Or you
or
could
red
just
and
pick
blue.
another.
Could do, or yellow and red. But at the moment, we're going to work off this chart, okay? So, what colour are we going to choose?
Light blue.
Okay, we're going to go with a quick light blue. So on there, so on here, it has two numbers. Depending on what colour you choose, depends on how much red you put in or how much blue.
We've ticked the ones that we've already
We've
done.
already done some, which I'll show you in a second. So if we're going to make
I've already showed her.
just a
I've already showed.
blue marker, we need 15 measures of blue ink. So
Can you
here
do
we
it,
go.
please?
Yeah. So just unscrew the top. And then
It looks like straw. It looks like straw.
just keep pouring it in till it gets to the number that it tells you to stop at.
It's the one right at the top with the 1 and the
Tell me
5.
when it's there.
You there?
Stop. Right, so that's got 15 measures of blue.
And then 0.
So 0 of any other colour, and this will make a blue. So while it's in the stand, you get one of those things and just drop it in and let it sink.
Until all
And
the
it's
ink
gonna
is
sink.
on. Until all of it, the ink is on here.
That's right. So it's sinking, it's sinking. So what you need to do now is you need to wait a couple of minutes just to let that sink. And as you can see, it's started to come up. It's started to soak into the fibre. So in a couple of minutes, all of that will be gone out of the tube and into the whatever that's called. What's that called? Felt.
Yeah.
Whatever it is. Okay. So we'll leave that like that.
And
for a couple
then
of
when
minutes.
you're done, you have, when you've done the marker, you have to put it in one of these.
Okay. So while that's getting ready, we get one of these cases.
Yep, we have to put it through here.
Wait a minute, I've not put the nib in yet. You've got to put the
Lid in.
put one of these in.
Okay, I'll put it in.
Put it in the end. Ever so easy. Push it right the way down till it stops. Let's have a look. It's a bit tough. So it goes in like that. So that's what you're left with.
Yeah, and then this you have to put into there, and then this you have to put into here with
Right, okay.
this
So,
bit on.
Put it in there. Put it in. So it goes. Point downwards. Point down. In there like that. Don't have to push it in. That's just to hold it. Okay. So that just goes in
and
there.
then you have to click
Just as a little holder.
You have to
So-
click. You have to click it when the marker's in.
Yes, right. So what we've got to look for is we need one of these things, which is the end of this. So when this goes in there, that goes on top, click, and then it makes a marker. So,
Yeah. And then we have to put it into one of these holes to soak up.
So, as you can see, look, it's soaking up all of the blue ink that we put in there. So what we need to do is just take it out. Put it.
You can see on the box that
Drop it into the marker.
I'll put one of this in.
Put the lid inside,
There.
and then we put it down like that, and it 2 clicks. 2 clicks.
Now
and
I
then
can just get it out and
get
put
it
the
out.
lid on.
Put the lid on. Dexter's back to see what's going on. You put the lid on.
Yep.
Lid's on.
I need to just click. There.
Okay,
And then we have
cool.
to put it here so it can soak up to make the marker.
So then what happens is all of the ink will magically rise up until the tip.
Yeah.
So it just takes a couple of minutes. I can see it working already.
Me too. Dexter can as well.
It's going in.
Now, yeah, Daddy, can you clean this?
Yes, right. So we need to make sure that we rinse these out every time we've used them.
Yeah,
So
because then it will say.
I'll just nip to the kitchen and rinse that out.
And then it. But if you don't wash it out, it will try and turn out the same colour that we've just made.
What colour are you making next, Jess?
Maybe I'll make dark green.
So back. So we put that back on there.
It's clip.
And so it just turns, just a little twist.
It's nearly done.
Right. Okay. So what colour are we going to make next? Off the chart.
Dark green. Dark green.
Green. So dark green is 9 pieces of blue.
And 6 bits of
So you get your
yellow.
blue out again.
Ah.
9 pieces of blue. Tell me when to stop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you there?
Okay.
You're on 8.
That's on 8. Bit more.
You there?
So that's 9 measures of blue
Yeah, and then we can soon use one of these colours on the next one.
and
We need
6
Bit
pieces of yellow.
And the yellow looks like honey.
So as you see, that every time you make it, it must add up to the 15 units of
Yeah,
ink.
it has to be on the number that it says on the chart of one of these colours.
Right, there you
and
go.
then you have to do you have to put it on the number on what's on this.
So that's got 9
nearly
measures
done.
of blue and 6 measures of yellow. So once again, we just repeat it.
Yep.
Put that in the top,
Just drop.
and that will just
Dexter, you're not making it. You're
sink
making.
in. This is if you can see on here, it's started to rise up the tip. So a couple more minutes, and that will be
I'll go
done.
and get a
So we
felt
just need to carry on, keep doing that until basically
I'm gonna
all
go
of the
and
colours
get a felt tip.
are
I'm gonna go
made.
and get a felt tip.
Okay, so do you want to show the ones we made earlier?
Yep. I'll show you.
Dexy, run out of the way, mate.
You whisper the colours.
So we've made a few earlier. So here are
No,
some we
not
made
earlier.
earlier. Yeah, it was earlier. Right,
Oh
so.
no!
Uh-oh, lid's come off.
I'm just gonna dry.
Yeah,
Just
that'll
gonna
dry out. You put the lid on. You need to make sure you put the lids on, kids. Felt tips dry out.
Yep.
The lid on.
So whisper the colour to me.
So, we know what colour that is. That
Yellow.
is yellow. So,
So
we made
this
the
one's
yellow
yellow.
one.
This one's yellow.
Show them on the thing. Show them what they look like when you're colouring with them.
Okay.
Do a bit of colouring. Lids off.
That's yellow.
That's yellow. We have done a dark blue.
A dark blue, and this is what the dark blue looks like.
Excellent. We have done a light green.
That was the light green.
Nice. We have done orange. Looks a bit red, but actually
It's orange.
it's orange. And
Red.
we have done a red. Nice. We did a purple.
Ooh.
Awesome. And we did a pink.
Now do you want to tell who they are?
Well, cool. Nice. Right. Okay. So as you can see, this one here
It's ready.
is ready. So the ink has gone all the way up to the tip.
Can you see this? It looks like a light. What was it? It looks like a light. It looks like a dark blue, but it actually is going to be a light blue.
Okay. Colour in. See what colour it is.
A light
Do a
blue.
bit more colouring in that. Show them what colour it is. Colour in a bit. Nice, see? And there you go. You've made your marker. So what we need to do now
This
is
one's-
get one of the labels.
I'll just use one of these felt tips. No,
Right, no, I want to use this one. I'm going to use this one because this one I've been using. L-I-G-H-T
Is this one ready?
B-L-U
This one ready?
light blue.
Is this one ready? Now I'll stick it on.
Yeah, right, so you got the label?
Hold on. Is that the wrong? Oh, it's the wrong way! Sorry kids, I just put it on the wrong way.
Click. Right, now stick your label on so you know what colour it is. Okay, so this one is ready. As you can see, it's absorbed all of the ink. So we need to get another marker. We need to get one of the nibs.
Please, can you take this off and I'll stick it onto the pen.
Push it into the end. Put it into the handy holder.
And then...
Pick it up.
How come...
Go on, right, it's not. Just pick it up. Pick it up. Put it in. Plop. Push it in. Get a lid
Get a lid.
for the base. Push it in. Push the thing over. 2 clicks. Turn it the right way up. Put it in a holder with a lid on it.
With the lid.
Get one of the labels off.
Yeah, and then why don't you use one of these markers?
Booty.
Dexter,
Okay, there.
Dexter, you're not gonna be a marker. You're not gonna be a marker. No, Dexter, stop.
I can't get it, Dexter.
Stop it. Get off, Dexter. Get off, please, Dexter.
Here comes Boots to say hello. Here comes
Why
the
does
cat.
everyone want to
Hello,
be?
Boots.
Hello, this is our cat Boots.
I can't get the label off, look. These are really tricky. This is the trickiest bit of all, actually, trying to get the labels off.
Yeah, but the easiest bit.
Especially when you got a dog harassing you.
You have to get.
With the label.
So, hello, grown up. When you've got the label off, you have to stick it on the pen.
I can't get the label off. Can't get the back off it. You carry on talking.
When you've got the label off of it, you have to stick it onto the pen, and then you have to read what it says. So I'll put these back in the case.
Boots is messing with the video recording now.
Boots. Right. Okay. Got it. Okay. So that was hard. That was harder than making the labels. So what we do, we get the where's it gone?
Oh no! Not again.
There we go. So we
Not again.
stick the label on, so we know what colour it is.
Oh no.
That's right. Just fold it over.
There. And this
Excellent.
is what we have to do.
And that's it. That's as simple as that. So,
That's
this,
how
like I say, this one's making. It's halfway up.
Yeah, it's halfway. You have to leave it.
So what do we think about this toy? Is it a good toy? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up for me.
Thumbs up for me.
Excellent. Good toy, kids. See you in a bit. Say bye.
No, this one's not.